This is 13 WHAM News Midday.
This midday, scenes of devastation across Texas, where at least 82 people are presumed dead after catastrophic floods struck the state over the weekend. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us. I'm Stephanie Joseph. Rescue teams are urgently searching, looking for dozens that are still missing. Officials say in the early morning hours of July 4th, waters rose 26 feet in less than an hour. Many people were asleep. Time-lapse video shows just how quickly the Llano River rose. The Guadalupe River also flooding out a sleepaway camp for girls. As of this morning, that camp says 27 campers and counselors have died.
We had no idea people were missing. We had no idea that they had to wade through water, barely able to stand. I didn't even realize the gravity of the situation until we saw helicopters flying over us and the director came to tell the nurses what exactly had happened.
Texas Governor Greg Abbott has declared a disaster for parts of the state, which has been signed by President Donald Trump. The National Weather Service in the spotlight for warnings it issued ahead of those floods. The agency facing staffing shortages after cuts made by DOGE. ABC's Perry Russum has the details.
As rescue teams search for the missing in Texas, a new focus today on the warning sent out ahead of the floods. The National Weather Service issuing the first flood watch at 1:18 in the afternoon the day before. Later that day at 6:10, the Weather Prediction Center highlighting 3-inch rainfall per hour expected overnight. At midnight, the heavy rain starts. Then at 1:14 in the morning, the National Weather Service issuing a considerable flash flood warning. That's the type of warning where an alert is sent to your phone. At 3:35, the warning upgraded with more serious wording. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Then at 4:03, upgraded again. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. The National Weather Service is facing staffing shortages, but so far there is nothing to indicate that can be connected to this flood. And the Associated Press reports extra workers for the area were called in ahead of the flood warnings.
Are you investigating whether some of the cuts to the federal government left key vacancies at the National Weather Service or in the emergency coordination?
No, they did not. They did.
With FEMA now on the ground, questions remain over that agency's future. President Trump has been pushing to end FEMA.
We want to wean off of FEMA, and we want to bring it down to the state level.
Trump yesterday.
Well, FEMA is something we can talk about later, but right now they're busy working, so we'll leave it at that.
FEMA was activated after President Trump issued a major disaster declaration. The Coast Guard is there working on search and rescue. Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem says local authorities will get the help they need. Perry Russum, ABC News, Washington.
And Texas is set to see more rainfall. Meteorologist Mark McLean has been tracking that system and has more. Mark.
Yeah, Steph, the setup down there, it just worked in a way that heavy rain from what was left of Barry surged through parts of Mexico and into southern parts of Texas. It was blocked off by a large area of high pressure that was in eastern parts of Texas, and that's why that heavy rain, that the thunder activity there just channeled into the same areas with a hilly terrain, too. That didn't help for a lot of that runoff.